Now, coming to the next part, types of electric vehicles. So, electric vehicles are normally of three major types. One is the hybrid electric vehicle, then comes plug-in electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and then we have fuel cell electric vehicles. So, coming to let us have a brief or in detail look at each of these part. So, coming to first one, that is hybrid electric vehicle. So we have hybrid EV. So they use both the gasoline plus electric motor is used to run the vehicle. The electric motor assists the engine here. It assists the gasoline engine to run the vehicle. But if you have only electric motor, it cannot run the common example of a hybrid electric vehicle is the early version of Toyota Prius. It is an example of hybrid electric vehicle. The next type is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. You can see plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. It cannot be plugged to charge. Cannot be plugged to charge the battery. Um, It has bigger battery than HEV. So if you compare the battery size of hybrid electric vehicle and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, it has bigger battery than the hybrid electric vehicle, and it can drive the vehicle alone. So based on can drive on battery alone. So when it comes to hybrid, you cannot have battery run the motor alone, but here can drive on battery alone without the need for any this. So here the electric vehicle will be charged from the external means. So here it is charged from the external supply. That is why you have the plug-in option. Plug-in option means you can charge it from the external supply. Whereas in case of hybrid EV, you don't have that plug-in option. The EV motor, electric motor will be getting charged from the engine itself or through the regenerative braking. So you don't have any other option to charge it from the external supply. And the next one is battery electric vehicle. So it is fully electric when it comes to battery electric vehicle. This is fully electric. You don't have any engines there. There is no engine at all. So it is entirely powered by the battery. So the example here is we have a lot of examples. One is Tesla Model 3. Then we have Tata Nexon, which are recent cars which are producing battery electric vehicle. So coming to plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, we have Hyundai, Hyundai Ionic plug-in. Then we have Chevrolet Volt. And similarly, we have fuel cells electric vehicle. So which is directly or indirectly it is sourced from the hydrogen. But the propulsion is completely based on electric motor again. So here, whether it is a fuel cell or fully battery electric vehicle, the complete propulsion will be through battery, through the motor. You can see here. So coming to gasoline, micro HEV, ICEV. So this is completely engine. You can see here, as you are moving from micro, mild, full, plug-in and range extended vehicle, we can see the uh, the motor is taking a larger share, whereas engine will be having reduced share when it comes to supplying the required traction power. When it comes to plug-in EV and plug-in EV, the motor is completely taking care of for the entire supply. Whereas when it comes to fuel cell, again, electricity is needed to run the motor. So hydrogen is used as the fuel there, and again it is run completely by the motor. So this is the chart which shows you. This is the chart which is showing the energy source, vehicle type, and propulsion device. Okay. So coming to the next part, again, so when we go in deeper, we have conventional HEV where there are no plugins, charges during braking or engine use. So coming to conventional hybrid electric vehicle, so the motor gets charged during braking operation or when the engine is producing extra power, the remaining power is utilized to charge the motor. Another one is a PHEV. It's about you plug in to charge, then use the engine if you need it. Then BEV, just charge and drive, no oil changes, no fuel stops. Fuel cell uses hydrogen gas to make electricity on board. So for BEV, we have Nissan Leaf, which gives us 240 kilometer per charge. Then for plug-in hybrid vehicle, we have Mitsubishi Outlander, which gives around 50 kilometers based on only electrical. For purely electrical, it gives around 50 kilometers, and then you can continue with the engine. Next, we have hydrogen powered Toyota Mirage, which gives around 500 to 600 kilometer on a single fill. So you just need 5 minutes to refuel the hydrogen gas tank. So each has its own pros and cons. So BEVs are more efficient, PHEVs are flexible, and FCEVs are more fast to refuel.